friends, the DJI Pocket 4 Pro is finally here, and this changes everything. For the first time, DJI added a dedicated 3x telephoto lens, and honestly, this no longer feels like just a selfie vlog camera. With the Pocket 3, I always felt limited. The wide-angle lens was great for travel and talking to camera shots, but anytime I wanted tighter close-ups or something farther away, I still had to grab my phone. But now, the Pocket 4 Pro feels like a real multifocal shooting tool. In this video, I'll share my first impressions after using the Pocket 3 for a long time, especially this brand new telephoto lens.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from TechieStreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
Right away, you'll notice the design change. Because of the extra lens and larger aperture, the camera module is bigger than before. Personally, I prefer using it with the extension handle and mini tripod since the grip feels way more balanced that way. The other upgrades, new texture, redesigned buttons, built-in storage, are similar to what we already saw on the Pocket 4, so let's skip ahead to the real star here, the new 3x telephoto lens. So, is it actually good? The answer is yes, instantly yes. The biggest difference is simple. You can finally shoot faraway subjects clearly. On the Pocket 3, even slight zooming depended on the mid-telephoto mode, and that only went up to 2x. But the moment you compare that to the Pocket 4 Pro's true native 3x zoom, the gap is obvious. A real telephoto lens completely changes the experience. Now, combined with the wide lens, you get everything from selfie framing to clean telephoto shots, all with optical quality results. Honestly, it starts feeling dangerously close to replacing a mirrorless setup. And the telephoto lens isn't just about zoom. It creates much better subject separation too. Food, portraits, landscapes, everything looks more professional because the subject pops naturally from the background. That large aperture telephoto blur simply wasn't possible on the older wide-angle only setup. But here's the part I really love. You also get that cinematic telephoto compression effect. The foreground and background feel more layered, more three-dimensional. You can create those shots where the subject stays razor sharp while the background melts away into soft blur, something wide-angle lenses usually struggle to achieve. Now let's talk about the 1-inch wide-angle lens. At first, I thought probably DJI reused the same sensor again, but surprisingly, they didn't. DJI added a completely new tone-following sensor with seriously impressive dynamic range. I'll save the technical breakdown for the full review, but even in harsh backlit scenes, shadow details stay visible while the bright sky still looks controlled. Honestly, the dynamic range feels shockingly close to professional cameras. This is only my first hands-on experience with the DJI Pocket 4 Pro, but it genuinely reminds me of the excitement I felt when the Ronin 4D first launched. DJI once again feels like it's bringing pro-level imaging tools to everyday creators. And with the ecosystem around these products growing fast, creating professional-looking content is becoming easier than ever. We still can't reveal all the technical details yet because of confidentiality restrictions, but a full, detailed review is coming very soon. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!